Digital marketing for small businesses. Welcome to this lesson on digital marketing for small businesses. In this lesson, we will be discussing some tips and best practices for promoting a small business online. As a small business owner, you may feel overwhelmed by the many options available for digital marketing. However, there are some simple steps you can take to get started and make the most of your marketing efforts. The first step is to establish your brand identity. This includes creating a logo and website that reflects your brand values and positioning. Your website should be user-friendly and mobile responsive, and it should provide clear information on your products or services. Next, consider setting up a social media presence. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can be powerful tools for reaching potential customers and building brand awareness. Be sure to post regularly and engage with your followers to build a community around your brand. Another important aspect of digital marketing for small businesses is search engine optimization, SEO. This involves optimizing your website and content so that it ranks highly in search engine results pages. Some simple SEO techniques include using relevant keywords, optimizing your website's structure and content, and building high-quality backlinks. In addition to these tactics, consider experimenting with paid advertising. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, for example, allows you to place ads on search engine results pages or other websites and only pay when someone clicks on your ad. PPC can be a cost-effective way to drive traffic to your website and generate leads. Finally, be sure to track the performance of your marketing efforts and make adjustments as needed. Use tools like Google Analytics to understand how users are interacting with your website and identify areas for improvement. In summary, there are many steps small businesses can take to promote themselves online, including establishing a strong brand identity, building a social media presence, optimizing for search engines, experimenting with paid advertising, and tracking performance. By following these tips, you can effectively market your small business online. I hope this lesson has provided some useful tips for digital marketing for small businesses. Thank you for watching.